Welcome or welcome back. It's been a little bit, but we are back with crumble cookies. This is my first time ever trying crumble cookies, so I'm pretty excited. I feel like it's like so hyped up on YouTube and stuff, so let's give it a go. It is recording. Okay, yes. I thought it wasn't recording. So let's start with the, oh my god, okay. The banana cream. I'm a little shaky. I'm sorry, guys. Wow. If you like banana, okay. Maybe that might be less shaky. Okay. That was really good. So, I'm sure you can tell by my background, but I finally got a new car. So, sorry I haven't been filming or anything. I'm trying to figure it out because I don't want to dirty my car. So that's why today I'm just like, I don't have a tripod for this car yet. So I was like, let me just get something handheld. Wow. Whatever, at least it's on my shirt, not the car. I do have like all this covered down here, so whatever gets dropped is just scoop it up, throw it away. But yeah, so finally got a new car. My old car I've had since 2011 and my transmission went out. 2002 Honda Accord did me well. This one I am excited for because, as you guys might know, I am a sucker for anything lemon. Lemon cookie. Am I supposed to eat the lemon? I don't know. It's everything you could want in a lemon cookie. I'm just gonna eat the lemon. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but wow. I will say, I've heard this in like different crumble cookie reviews. They are very sweet, but luckily they had minis in like every size now, so. So yeah. Any other updates? I started going to the gym, so that's pretty exciting. I had crumbs I didn't want to drop. I know so many people hate on Planet Fitness, but they had a deal, $15 down, $1 down, $15 a month, no commitment. So you know what? I did what was best for my bank account. It might not be the best gym, but you know what? As long as you focus on yourself, you can get the job done anywhere. Being all motivational. This one, it's the last one. It's a tres leches. I don't know why I said it so un-Spanish. This one, I'm just gonna eat over this because I'm not making a ginormous mess. Sorry, it's a little wobbly today, guys. I have nothing to say. No excuses. Ooh, she looks creamy. Can I change it? There you go. Wow, that is very moist. Sorry for the people who hate that word. Very cinnamony. Oh my god, if I could just scoop this out. Very, very soft. Very hydrated. I'll use the word hydrated. If I'm gonna be honest. Maybe I was just in the mood for the cookies, but I did prefer the cookies. Oh, I think this is the last piece. If I could scoop it up, you know. Oh, there we go. And there you have it, guys. Crumble cookie. Do I think it's worth the hype? Not really, honestly. I feel bad for saying that. It's good. As you can see, I really like the cookies. However, I'm a sucker for homemade cookies. Honestly. Just my opinion. I get why you guys like it. They come out with creative flavors. No shade. Nothing like that. Now I'm just going on a tangent. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will be more consistent in the upcoming weeks, but thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you guys, and have a good rest of your day.